Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best photo light boxes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Mini Photo Studio Box. The USP of this photo studio box is that it comes with a 20-piece LED light. That is why you need not worry about the illumination at all. You can easily click from multiple angles, as it consists of a vertical window and a horizontal window at the front. As a result, capturing pictures from different angles is quite easy. The installation is simple, and you can erect it with the help of the Velcro straps. With the help of a USB power supply, you can power the light with ease. It consists of a cube measuring 20 cm by 20 cm. The front portion is a bit curved to provide you with a wide angle. It consists of 6 different backdrops, which mean that getting the right background is quite easy. These features make it hard to ignore. Moving on, at number 4, we have the ESDDI Photo Studio Light Box. The main advantage of this studio light box is that it consists of 120 LED lamp light strip. It means that the level of illumination is much higher. With the help of adjustable brightness, you can easily customize your images. It uses the hook and loop design. It means that installing the box is easy. With the help of multiple openings, getting the angle which you want is possible. The interiors consist of a silver reflective film. As a result, the diffusion of light is on the higher side. It comes with the adapter, which means that powering the box is quite easy. It also offers 4 different PVC backgrounds. The instruction manual ensures that you can use it with ease. The higher illumination level and the adjustable brightness makes it the right choice. At number 3, we have the Emart 14 inches by 16 inches photography table top light box. If you're looking for a photo light box to capture the subject from the front and top, this one is a great option. The dimensions of this box are 14 inches by 16 inches. It consists of 52 different LEDs. With the help of micro USB support and 80 inches power cable, you can get adequate illumination. Also, it comes with the tripod stand holder as well for your smartphone. Additionally, there are 4 different color backdrops on offer as well. It means that you can capture the images with various backgrounds. With the help of snap button design and magnets, you can install and fold it with ease. These features and the tripod stand for your smartphone is a great option which you cannot ignore. At number 2, we have the Amazon Basics Portable Foldable Photo Studio. The photo studio on top of our list measures 25 inches by 30 inches by 25 inches. It does not require any assembly, and you can easily set it up and running in under a minute. Also, it is easy to collapse, as well. The pre-installed and removable bright white backdrop makes it easy to use. With the help of built-in LED lights, you can get the illumination which you want. It offers the 5600K daylight LEDs. It means that you will not have to worry about modifying the light. With the help of 3-door system, you can click the photos from the angle which you want without reflection or shadows. Additionally, it is compatible with the Amazon Seller app. The mobile app compatibility, daylight LEDs on offer, and removable backdrop ensure that it is one of the best options on this list. And finally, at number 1, we have the Neewer 24x24-inch, 60x60 cm photo studio. With the dimensions of 24 inches by 24 inches, this photo studio is effortless to use. It offers 4 backdrops as well. Also, the removable front windows mean that you can get the angle which you want. The nylon fabric ensures that there is proper diffusal of light. It comes with a custom carrying case, which means that moving it around is easy. One of the distinct features of this photo box is that it reduces the shadows and reflections. That is why the quality of photos that you can capture with this light box is much better than many other options on this list. The shadow eliminating feature makes it a worthy buy. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.